Hey friends, Happy Republic Day to all! Republic Day reminds us of great heroes who gave us freedom, and Bhagat Singh is one of them. One important real incident from Bhagat Singh's life happened in the year 1929. At that time, British government was making unfair laws against Indians. Bhagat Singh wanted people to understand that these laws were wrong. He believed that the nation is sleeping and needed to be awakened. So, Bhagat Singh and his friend Battukeshwar Datta went to the British Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. They carried small bombs. These bombs were not dangerous. They were only made to produce sound, not to kill anyone. They threw bombs in empty places and shouted slogans like Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad. This means long live the revolution. Their aim was to send message, not to hurt people. After throwing the bombs, Bhagat Singh did not run away. He wanted to be arrested so he could speak openly against British rule. He wanted the whole world to hear his ideas. In jail, Bhagat Singh noticed that Indian prisoners were treated badly compared to the British prisoners. To fight this injustice, he started a hunger strike. He did not eat food for many days to demand equal rights for Indian prisoners. This incident shows that Bhagat Singh is not only brave but also thoughtful. He believed in justice, equality, and freedom. He was ready to sacrifice his life for the country. That is why Bhagat Singh is remembered as true hero of India. So let us remember the sacrifice of Shaheed Bhagat Singh and promise to be honest, brave, and responsible citizen of India. Jai Hind. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.